parents came home from church. All their children were gone. They searched and called for them. They cried and begged, but it was all to no avail. The children have never been seen again.
Okay. Ooh.
I have to get out of here and find out what this ticket is about. Mr. Mars! A few words! Mr. Mars! Goddamn reporters! They've been camped outside my house all day.
Stay. Let's go out the back door. See if that does anything. Yeah, see? I am a genius. No, can't jump over that way. No problem, no problem. Hi neighbours. How you doing? Hey bitches. I can't see what it says. Oh. How did they not notice me?
Gonna have to make it through the crowd. I can't take crowds. Just can't handle it.
Understandable, dude.
I can't make it. Too many people. Too many people.
I nearly just hit myself in the face with the remote. What did I do wrong? This is actually hurting my arm. Hurting my arm. Shit. Did an X-Men thing. creepy. That's even creepier.
Dad, where are you?
Jason!
Hey, dude. Dude!
Dad.
Jason!
Bingo. I literally walked right past him.
Dad.
Just want to knock like everyone over now. Oh, he's there.
Dad.
Come here, you little bitch.
Jason!
Dad.
Jason!
Where do I go now? Oh,
Dad.
mm. No, that's convenient.
Line 18, box number 3.
Okay. Oh. One, 8, 2, 12. Oh, no, that said 18. No, it didn't. It said 13. 3, 17. So it's down here. 19. 18. Number 3. There we go. He got a box too. This dude has a lot of shoe boxes. Let's check out your room, dude. You come from a nice house to a motel room. You're not doing so good. Any clothes in here that you put in there, or? Nope. Nope. Anyone looking at you? Nope. Excuse me. Nope. Anything?
According to our sources, a child disappeared from the Stanton district yesterday evening. He was last seen playing in the park with his father. Full details are unknown, but following the disappearance of Jeremy Bowles, there is suspicion that this again may be the work of the Origami Killer. If confirmed, it will bring the number of victims to 9.
It's something you really want to hear, isn't it? Do I need to fill that up, buddy? Nope. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. What's in the cupboard? Did you really shave again, dude? I can pee, but can I shower? No. Let's have a look-see then. Ooh. There's a gun. How would he know how to do that? You prepared to show courage to save your son. Joe's Garage and Parking Lot 4988 Roosevelt Avenue, Lexington. What was that? Just a ticket?
Help! Dad,
Sean,
where are you? I'm so cold. Dad! Dad!
How far are you prepared to go to save someone you love? Five origami figures. Each figure is a trial. Each trial provides letters. The letters reveal an address. Ah. Let's go. Let's put it under the bed.
The killer is white, aged between 30 and 45. He doesn't act on impulse, but plans his crimes in a very meticulous fashion. He doesn't have anything personal against the victims. That's why he covers their faces with mud, to make them anonymous.
Why does he kill them if he doesn't have anything against them?
For him, they're more of an image, a symbol. That's probably why he gives them an origami figure and an orchid as gifts, to apologize for what he's done to them.
Very interesting. And where does all that get us?
The best way of tracking a predator is to be familiar with his behavior.
That may be true in novels, but there's a child's life at stake here.
Continue, Jaden.
Oh, rainfall.
One detail attracted my attention. The interval between the time when the victim disappears and the time when the body is found ranges from 3 to 5 days. But the rainfall is always at 6 inches, give or take 10%.
What on earth does that mean?
All the victims are drowned in rainwater. The killer kills only in the fall when there is plenty of rain. It could be that he puts them in some sort of well or tank that is open to the skies and that fills up with rainwater. The more it rains, the less time the victim has to live. Then I studied the geographical distribution of the murders. Generally, a killer commits his first murder near to where he lives, so he has a safe place to flee to if any complications arise. The more confident he becomes, the further he roams from his base. By analyzing the locations where the victims disappeared, I was able to isolate a zone where the killer might live.
And what size is this, zone?
For the moment, about 10 square miles.
Ah, great. There must be 10,000 people live in that sort of area. You gonna question them one by one?
The more clues we get, the more we can reduce the zone. We can then cross-check it with our list of suspects and identify the killer.
So what's next?
There are 2 suspects whose psychological profile might fit and can be connected to the comfort zone. I'd like to question them.
God damn it. We're wasting our time with this bullshit. The killer's out there somewhere. We gotta get off our asses and find him.
Go for him. For a reason.
The killer is no ordinary murderer. He is intelligent, organized, and methodical. You won't find him by patrolling the streets.
Tell me, Agent Jaden, did you get your vast experience on the job, or did you just fucking read about it in some school book?
Go for him.
Your vast experience hasn't prevented 8 victims from being murdered. Fucking asshole!
That's enough! You said it took 6 inches of rainfall before the victim died. How much time do we have left?
The weather forecasts are right. Less than 72 hours.
Damn. Why are they working together now?
No answer. We waste our time coming here.
Maybe we should have a little look inside anyway.
There's nobody home.
That's the way you do it.
There isn't.
I'm not sure that's entirely legal.
Call the cops.
Shit. Let's have a
Looks
look.
like Nathaniel Williams is a pretty religious guy.
He's a God-fearing idiot, waiting for the end of the world. We questioned him a few months back because he was causing a disturbance in the park. He was ranting and raving. Said he heard voices. Had this idea in his sick little head that I was the Antichrist. I had come to Earth to persecute him. Real twisted.
He's on medicine. Duly noted. On a lot of medicine. A lot of medicine. Kind of gathered that he was religious, game. Yep, seen it. What else did I look at?
All the signs of a mystical obsessive neurosis compounded by a persecution complex. It's stifling in here. Those windows haven't been opened in years. The guy's taking a break from reality, holed up here in this crazy apartment. You don't have to be a profiler to see he's not a killer. We're wasting our time here.
Then why are we here? Nope. Damn it! Is there anything else? Did I miss something? No? Look to know. Oh. She's writing. Yeah, Jesus.
Good timing, Nathaniel. Just the man we're looking for.
Angels and ministers of grace defend us.
I'm Agent Norman Jaden, FBI. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
As God is my witness, I haven't done anything. I'm innocent.
Relax. Nobody's accusing you of anything. We just want to talk.
Crucifixes.
I hold the crucifixes. You afraid of something?
The hour is nigh, and the wrath of God shall strike men down. I'm preparing for the end of the world.
Alibi.
Nathaniel, do you remember where you were last Tuesday at 4:30 p.m.?
Here. I was here. I was praying. All day.
Was there anybody with you?
No. No, I was alone.
Occupation?
Where do you work, Nathaniel? You have a job?
My sole occupation is praying to the all-merciful Lord for the salvation of humanity.
What about the voices, Nathaniel? Do you still hear the voices? We know who talks to you, don't we, Nathaniel? But we both know who talks to you.
Don't speak that name.
What does he say to you, Nathaniel?
I can't talk about it. You mustn't talk about it.
He orders you to go and find new prey, doesn't he? He needs
Wait,
more
what are you doing?
and more.
No! You mustn't mention him. You'll bring him here.
He told you to go and find that kid in the
That's
park.
enough.
The boys
Leave him
wanted
alone.
him all night long. You wanted them to stop, didn't you, Nathaniel?
Stop! Stop! That's enough!
So you obeyed them to
What
make
a
this stop.
shit!
You took
Get
that
out
boy
of
with
your
you to
mind.
drown him. Isn't that right?
No! Stop! Stop!
You killed them, didn't you, Nathaniel? Are you going to confess, you bastard?
You are the Antichrist.
Put down the
I
gun,
shall
Nathaniel.
dispatch you to your father in hell. He is the son of Satan. He was sent to earth to destroy us. For Christ's sake, shoot!
Psychology.
You're not gonna kill the Antichrist with a revolver, Nathaniel. He's much too powerful for that.
Antichrist, my ass! Get that gun out of my face!
Calm down.
Keep calm. Everything is gonna be fine, Nathaniel.
Demon, you shall regret confronting the emissary of the Lord. You shall know divine power.
Listen.
Concentrate on my voice, Nathaniel. Listen only to my voice.
Christ all powerful, defend us in our battle with the forces of evil. Protect us from the cunning and wiles of the demon. May God Almighty manifest the power of His empire, and may divine power cast Satan and all the other spirits that prowl the world in search of souls into the darkest depths of hell.
Shouldn't have antagonized him, dude. Reassure.
I'm here to help you, Nathaniel. To get rid of the voices in your head, but you have to trust me.
Back off.
Back away, slowly. Now drop the gun. Drop it, Nathaniel.
Yay!
Put your hands on your head. Turn around. Motherfucker!
In the name of the Lord, I exorcise thee, Satan.
Okay, freak, the show's over. You're under arrest. Pretty damn cool under the circumstances. I would have just shot him.
A gun isn't the answer to every problem, Blake.
Maybe not, but most of the time it helps.